Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys another farm tour. In this one we're going to be doing our animals first and then the garden. So there will be a timestamp on the screen currently for if you want to just skip to the garden. But here we go. In here we have our chicken boxes where they like to lay eggs and stuff. And we have all of the feed, which I actually need to get some for our ducks. Here's our ducks. Hi. We have 5 ducks, I think. Hi, you want some food? Yeah? Next, we will go check out the bunnies. I mean, chickens, not bunnies. So if we go around the barn, then you got our chicken yard right here with some plants in it, a bunch of plants around it. That's just clover in there. An old compost barrel that they like to sit in, their water, and now some food. Yeah, hi guys. Okay. Now we get to go check on the rabbits. They live in that, like, tractor cage thing. You got their water system hooked up on the top so they can all have water. Everything good that the bunnies would need. That's chicken feed. Whoops. This is rabbit feed. There we go. We're gonna feed the rabbits. We haven't named any except for one, which we named. And he's in the other container. Hi, Mama. Yeah? How are you guys? You want some pettins? No, you don't? Okay. Let's go around to the other side. Hi, little buddy. Sorry if that was loud for you guys. This is the first time I've done a vlog in a while. Oh, you gotta stop sitting in your feed bowl if you want feed. Hey. Get out of your feed bowl. Okay. Ran out of rabbit food. So let's go get some more. And then we'll be done with the rabbits. I am sorry if this part is not very helpful or useful to anybody, but I thought it would be cool if you guys got to see all the animals that we had. Next bunny is the one that we've named. His name is Minute Rice, because silly, and he's white. Uh-oh. Hi, Minute Rice. There you go, buddy. Woo. Ooh, ah, ooh. Okay. There we go. Bunnies are fed. Yeah, Elvis, what do you think about it? There we go. And on to the garden. Woohoo! Uh-oh, I got the door stuck. Ah. There we go. Here we are. So, first in the garden, we have all of our romaine lettuce. We have some garlic, some bok choy, some radishes. We got onions and sage. Growing crazy. We got tomato, a little bit more radishes, more tomatoes, more tomatoes. We got our peas climbing up on this vine. We got a mixture of sunflowers and tomatoes right along the edge of our greenhouse.
Gorgeous sunflowers, you know what it is.
Yep. And then spinach, woohoo! Spinach, spinach.
And tomatillos and eggplant.
Yeah, it's just spinach. That's the good stuff.
Oh, this is a tomatillo
Yeah.
and an eggplant.
And then we got cucumbers. Cucumber.
That was a nasturtium, but the cucumbers
was?
are next to it.
Oh, that was a nasturtium. That's a cucumber. Woohoo!
And ground cherries.
And ground cherries. And then, what is this one?
Bok choy.
These are bok choys. Then we have more peas going up over the arch. They're not actually over there yet. Some more peas. And we got all different types of lettuces and stuff. This one. And then we have all of our like lemongrass and chives and stuff over here. We got mint right there. Strawberries. Lavender. Parsley and oregano, sage, rosemary, everything in a pot. And then if we go over here, we have potatoes, potatoes. And I think there's more strawberries in here. I'm not quite sure. And then over here, we have, I think this is squash right in here, in this little bucket, along with its friend over here. And then we have cucumbers right here. And some onions over here. And then, if you take a left right in front of the greenhouse, you will make it over to the melon patch with the dahlias and melons and corn. Corn isn't really growing very good. There's corn. Yep. Here's where we planted our corn. See any corn there? No. Because there is no corn. It didn't survive. And then we come back over here, we got a cactus, and we can head into the greenhouse.
Don't fall.
If you would take us on this part.
Oh, and just, these are tomatoes of some sort. Roma.
And then we got
These are my little lemons.
lemons. Woo! And then this is squash, right?
Yeah, some sort.
Yeah. This is squash.
Probably zucchini. Those are peppers.
And then peppers. and jalapenos, and more peppers. What are these?
Wait,
This?
those are tomatoes.
Oh, tomatoes.
They're potato leaf tomatoes.
That's cool. What is this purple one?
Basil?
Yeah. Blue. Blue basil. That's
Purple
cool.
opal basil. That's what it's called.
Yeah. And then you got whatever these are that are starting to seed.
Those are tomatillos.
Hey.
They're fruiting.
Fruiting.
Way too early, but whatever.
Yeah. And then we have some tomatoes.
Those are the plants I bought at the plant sale.
Yeah. What are these tiny ones?
Oh, those are ground cherries.
Okay.
And then this is some creeping thyme
Ooh.
and Rudbeckia.
And then you got some more of that purple sage, purple oregano,
Basil.
purple basil. And I would have gotten it. And then this is arcola,
Artichoke.
artichoke. That's a word.
And this is a giant artichoke that I got at the plant sale.
Giant artichoke.
Okay, so I killed mine again because I've killed them 3 times this year so far.
Yes.
Those are pinata peppers.
Yes. They're pinatas. Woohoo! And then
And then
this
this
is
is
rosemary.
Okra.
Okra.
And this is Malabar spinach.
Yeah.
Those are marigolds.
Marigolds. And
And that's celosia and bee balm.
okay. And then this is bell peppers, I'm guessing.
Yeah, actually, I think it might be.
It says B-E-P.
Teddy bear sunflowers.
Ah, so these are sunflowers.
Yeah, these are black eyed peas.
Oh, okay.
And then these are cucumbers, I think. Yeah, lemon cucumbers.
And then here, it doesn't have a tag.
Those are 4 o'clocks.
Ah,
And salvia. The little stuff is salvia. And the big ones are 4
Okay.
o'clocks. They're flowers.
yeah. What are these? I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what most of the stuff in the greenhouse
This is Rudbeckia, black-eyed Susans. And then these are dahlias. And nasturtiums and butterfly bush.
Okay, and these are cactuses?
Those are little succulents of some type.
Succulents.
This is my little ice plant that I grew from a little tiny seed. I made a succulent out of a seed. I'm so proud of myself.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
Yes. And then we have, out of the greenhouse, we have our watering system that goes into the ground and leads to each bed. And you see all these little black pipes. That's the watering system. And we have this little bench set up that we got in IKEA. And a bunch of wood chips everywhere. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. And if you liked it, thank you. Goodbye.